By creating an elongated U instead of a shortened U, you will not struggle with not having enough suture to wrap around your instrument, and you will be able to avoid a large instrument to suture angle. As shown by creating an elongated U, we have effectively minimized our instrument to suture angle. For the hold needle technique, always remember to rotate the needle to line up with the suture, and orientate it in such that the instrument to suture angle is minimized. As shown, a large instrument to suture angle makes throwing a knot to be very challenging. Touching tissue will help you overcome the two-dimensional display in a three-dimensional environment. And lastly, moving the two instruments as a unit will make your actions more directed and efficient.